Hello everyone, welcome back to VTV. I'm Carrie Lynn. It has been a while, hasn't it? I truly apologize. It has been the holidays. My mom came and visited. We got sick, I don't know, COVID or something that put us down for a couple weeks, and it kind of went through the house. And I went to Schoolie Palooza. I kind of did a rebuild on my van to get ready for that, so I'll have that to share with you guys. But it has truly been a crazy couple months, so I really apologize. I haven't had any content out for, like my, 12 watchers or whatever. But anyways, I'm going to try to get you guys caught up to real time as fast as I can. Oh, this footage, I'm about 6 months behind now. I usually like my footage maybe a month or two behind, but not quite this far. I might sneak something recent in once in a while, like the lifted van meet. But anywho, to catch you guys up, it's like July. No, I'm sorry, it's June. It's June. It's like June 9th. It's Rico's birthday. We are on Mt.Saint Helens, which I have been trying to camp on Mt.Saint Helens forever. It's always been something, a rain, fog, snowstorm, avalanche. Every time I've tried to go visit Mt.Saint Helens, something has kept me from ever getting to the top and even actually seeing the top of it. So I did get to this time. We did get to. We actually walked on ash, stayed in the mountain bears. There ended up being some bears, so there was no fire that night or anything. We had to kind of tail it out of there. So stay tuned, you guys, and you can check out what we did on Mt.Saint Helens. Sorry for the delay. I'm glad to be back, and I have a lot to share with you guys. So stay tuned. Today is Rico's birthday. He's getting his picture taken in front of Mt.Saint Helens. Lucky little dog. He's so lucky. Hey guys, okay, the lighting is literally terrible, but this river is a river of lava and ash. It is not water. It is crazy cool. I mean, petrified stumps are still sticking out of the ground. You can see ash and lava. It's just all gray. Gotta say, she's a little intimidating, just a little bit. All right, you guys, I'm parked on Mt.Saint Helens Ash. Can't say that every day. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? This is so cool. Getting to camp Mt.Saint Helens, right? Gosh, I've tried to come up here so many times and the road's been closed. Yeah, sure. Here you go. It's like natural promise. Rico enjoying his birthday drive. We're on the forest road, so he gets to sit on the lap when we're only going 25. 15 to 25. Stay alive. Windows halfway up for safety measures, right, buddy? Yeah. Bumps in the road. Bumps in the road. I try to leave any like nagging or complaining about people and their nasty habits out of my YouTube videos, but I just want you guys to know that every time we camp somewhere, we always leave it better than we found it. So we're on Mt.Saint Helens, and there is garbage everywhere. It is so disgusting. So we're gonna do what we do best and leave it better than we found it. So I'll show you guys what it looks like after we're done. This is where we're camped tonight. Fire pit's so disgusting. I've got my little portable one, and I'm gonna cook some dinner on that after I get some hot coals, and then we're gonna shift that over to this and clean up this mess that these people left in the middle of this little circle forest road right up the mountain. So look at these views over here, you guys. So pretty. There's a bunch of slash piles up here, sorry. But it's gorgeous. And Mt.Saint Helens is literally right behind that right there. So
over here.
I guess you can see it if I go over here, Richard says. Flowers. As you can see, there's the tip of Mt.Saint Helens right there. There's the van. And yeah, we're up in the woods in the middle of nowhere on top of a mountain. No place I'd rather be. You guys, so while I was getting ready for dinner, Richard picked up this much garbage out of this little tiny spot right here. This is it. That much trash. Pack it in, pack it out. It's that simple, people. Well, Richard and I have heard a bear somewhere very near us. I've heard it probably at least a dozen times. Richard's heard it, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5, but we keep hearing it. So,
action.
So I gotta like put raw meat on the grill right now while we can hear like a bear right over that ledge right there. So there it was. Did you hear it again? I heard it right there. Oh my God, it is so close. I'm trying to cook dinner.
Oh, I heard that one.
There is more than one. I heard that over there and over there. I'm freaking out a little bit, but we got a gun, we got bear spray, and I just need to cook this food really quick so I can get into the van. But I'm nervous. I'm nervous a little bit. All right, well, given the situation, we just decided to stay in tonight. So time is of the essence right now. We have to go pick up Richard's trailer and take it back up to our property up in North Washington, get back to Portland for a funeral, and then make it all the way back to Yuma. Okay, Here we go. Breathe, Carrie. Might be one of the scarier things I've ever done is take Richard's 2019 trailer up with my van through the gorge, over a mountain pass, and across a reservation before we get to Republic of Washington. So let's go.